This is going to be a video product review. I believe the company's name is Uponen. This is a solar floodlight. It is a dusk to dawn dual head 60 LED per light IP67. That means it's waterproof. Solar flood lamp with a remote control. Now, I'm going to be talking about this unit. They also sell one that you can put in your garden that instead of mounting it like this, it's got a spike so it will go into the dirt. And they sell, I believe, the same thing with the remote control. And then they sell this one, which is a dual LED light with the solar panel. It comes with a package of hardware. If you don't like the hardware that they send, you can always go out and get what you need from the hardware store. You might be mounting this in brick or in concrete. This should work fine. We've got screws and anchors to mount the lights on the wall into wood or into masonry. And then we've got some heavy-duty bolting to mount the solar panel. Let me talk about the remote control first. We have an off button, an on button. We have a full brightness or a 50% brightness. We have 10 steps of brightness going from low up to high. We have a control to keep it on for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours. And we have an auto button that will decide the brightness dependent on the charge of the battery. The unit is heat resistant, frost resistant, water resistant. We have 2 LED lights. We have the connector over here. Try to mount this downward if you can so that it is more protected from water intrusion. This will connect into the cables on the solar panel, which I'll get to in a minute. We have a painted bracket. We have a little red LED inside here that when it's on, it will tell you when it is charging, when it's connected to the charging unit. We have tempered glass, high-end aluminum housing. We have, it's a very sturdy unit. Stainless steel brackets, stainless steel bolts. We have tempered mirrored glass over here. So let me show you how this works. This is a really impressive unit. Not only is it impressive, but the price of this is just incredible. You see the 2 different cables over here. And you can extend it if you need to, but we have 2 different cables. So you could put one light outside on the front of your house. You could put another light in a shed. You could put 2 lights in a garage. The thing that they don't talk about, that this is really incredible. Mount this on the top of your RV or your camper or your trailer and put these lamps on the outside, bolt these on, put them on with wing nuts if you need to so you can take them off when you're driving. And that way, when you get to the campsite, you plug this thing in, it's charging from the sun during the daytime. At nighttime, you've got brightness for hours and hours. Take these on a camping trip with you. You can either buy this and use this one or buy the one with the spike. Take it on a camping trip with you, put the spike in the dirt, charge it up during the daytime. At nighttime, you've got light around the camping site. So, I've already got these charged up. When you first get them, you might have to charge them for a couple days to get it at a full charge. I haven't connected these yet. I want to show you how awesome these are. So it's already charged up. Use this as a flashlight, as a little camping light while you're walking around the campsite or while you're walking around the yard. Set this up so that you've got this mounted on the house. Put these by a window so when you have a power failure, the lights, press the remote, the lights come on. You've got light into the dining room or the living room. And you don't have to panic looking for candles and flashlights. So we've already got it charged up. Let me shut off the camera video light. I know we're in daytime, but these are extremely bright. I'm going to press on the remote. This thing's awesome. Full brightness. You can't really see. And I'd love to show that to you in the video, but I just want to give you a product review now of how great these things are. So we're at full brightness. I'm going to go down to 50% brightness. We have the different controls to brighten it up. So you can just walk around with this. This is already charged up, and you've got hours and hours worth of light strictly with this alone. What a wonderful emergency flashlight to have. Charged up, you've got it in the house. Okay, so we've got both lights. Now I'm going to shut this off. Setup is extremely easy. All you do is you mount the solar panel to an area where you're going to get sun during the daytime. You've got a nice waterproof connector. Insert the connector, press it all the way in, tighten down this ceiling threaded piece, and we see the red light already, which shows that it is charging. I'm indoors right now. It is charging from the light in the room. A fabulous product. Make sure you go to the video description. I'm going to leave an affiliate link in there. Click on that link. It will take you straight over to Amazon. The only thing you need to decide is, what do you want? Do you want it with a remote controller without? Do you want it with 2 lights or 1 light? And do you want it with the mounting bracket, or do you want it with the spike that's going to go into the dirt? We've got both connectors connected. We have flashing red lights on both of these right now. It's still charging up from very dim light outside, so it is a good unit. It's a great solar panel. This is just very dim lighting in the room right now, and we'll power this thing up. It's probably going to shock the camera a little bit. It is. Make sure you buy this on Amazon from Uponen, U-P-O-N-U-N. I'm going to turn the lights away just so we can see what this is capable of doing. These are really bright. This is daytime right now. These are extremely bright. This is a good product. This is with daytime lighting in here, and we still have a lot of brightness. I'm going to go down with the dimmer. I'm going to go full brightness. I'm going to go half brightness. I'm going to go on, and I'm going to go off. It comes with a remote. This one comes with 2 lights and a wonderful solar panel and mounting hardware. You have all you need at an extremely reasonable price. Make sure you purchase this today, not only for your camper or your trailer, but for your garage, your house. Use this outside for emergency lighting, use it for camping, and you can even use it for a flashlight, just to have a solar-powered flashlight. These are very light, very easy to carry around.